Hey guys, this is me, Dominic Scarcello. We are playing Borderlands, and we found this good and me and David Green are good friends. Stomach, do you dare me to jump down here? Jump. Whee! Buttermaster is the bottom screen, by the way, peeps. Yeah. I dare you to go down, Dominic. It's fun. Oh my god. Guys, I got sworn backwards. Guys, just telling you, we found a legendary, and my awesome brother gave it to me. Wait, speaking of guns, I'm gonna throw one down the well. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Where is it? What about this bazooka? Bye. Bye. I'm gonna throw my turret. There you go. Oh my god, it's actually working.
Hurry out!
That's unfortunate.
Hey, shut up. Watch me. Look at the bottom screen, guys. Gio, let me jump. Oh my god. With the you can jump. No, so people can see me doing it. Oh my god, I'm in. Wow. That was cool.
All of the cool kids are doing.
No, they're not. I'm doing that. Wait, stop. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. I want the viewers, all the viewers, look at the bottom screen, and Buttermaster's going to watch me jump in. Look down. At me. Look at me. Watch me jump. Oh. Now, guys, you watch me. Dominic, come watch me. Wait. What's that? Watch me. No one can hear me. Dude, no one can hear you.
Let's settle this.
Because you never talk.
Deploying sentry!
You talk. Come on, you never talk. You're always so silent. I know, I'm not really used to doing YouTube. Well, he always wants to be a YouTuber, but he'll never be a YouTuber if he can't start talking. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Oh no. I never talk. Oh no! Brother's getting hurt. I need to shot in the face. What happened? I regret nothing. Hey!
Illusion fools you all. I move for the kill.
What is everybody? This is the coolest map in the world. Good job, Don. Oh my god! It's a level 15. So I'm gonna die like this. Oh, now I'm gonna die. Good, dude, let me die. I'm gonna have the most awesome death. Guys, I'm gonna miss you. I like doing YouTube. And I love Facebook. Bye. See you guys in the next Borderlands gameplay. Yeah!